Hi everyone, my name is Sandra. Welcome to my channel. Today's look is this really pretty spring look with yellow inner corners, and that is it. So I was kind of debating whether to wear eyelashes today, and I want it to be fresh and clean. And this look is inspired by a look that Painted with Spencer did, or Painted by Spencer. And I just admired that look so much that I wanted to recreate it for myself, but I am using the Colourpop Aha Honey palette, and this palette is just so pretty. I will link my latest video that I did with the haul from Colourpop. There were a whole bunch of 9-pan palettes, so if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching.
Okay, you guys, so if you have been watching my makeup channel, you know that I love my samples. I start with my Olehenricksen Truth Serum, add the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Eye Gel Cream, and First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And I find that it's very beneficial to do a full skin preparation right before makeup because your makeup just goes on so much better. So for my priming today, I'm using my Becca Backlight Priming Filter, but I'm actually mixing it in with my foundation. The foundation today is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in 7.5 Neutral. I am applying the combination together with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, and I've really been loving using this particular concealer as a contour. So this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and the shade is 145 Warm Olive, and it's just the perfect tone. I'm blending it out with my sponge, and my concealer today is Tarte Shape Tape in Light Medium Sand. So again, I use a different part of the sponge to blend out the concealer just so I don't get the two shades mixed up. And then from there, I go in with my nude sticks, and this is actually the Nudies Matte, and the shade is Beach Babe. I never really use the brush on the other side, but I do apply it to my hand first, and I usually use this brush. This is the Sigma F15 Dual Fiber Blush Brush, and it just is the perfect color combination. I never liked cream products before, but you guys, I fell in love, and I'm so glad the cream product trend is in right now because it's so amazing. So to top this all off, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in 4.0, and this is kind of like a highlight, but a very natural looking highlight, especially if you're not going to set. But I will be setting because I love the Jeffree Star Luminous Face Powder for this look. I'm using the shade Beige, and then I'm going in kind of rubbing off the creases of my concealer, and I'm using my F35 tapered highlighter brush to apply powder underneath my eyes, and my F37 spotlight duster to apply to the rest of my face because it just gives me the barest layer of powder, and that's what I'm looking for in a glowy look like this one. So the last step for my pre-eyeshadow look is my brow products. They are the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown and the Dip Brow Gel in medium brown as well. Last but not least, we're going in with the Colourpop Aha Honey palette, and I'm using this E57 Firm Shader brush that I hardly ever use to apply the product. I'm going in with the brightest yellow in the shade and popping this on the inner corner, and then I do kind of blend over it with the gold, and I will be shading it out with the E36 blending brush, and I probably blended it more onto the lid than I wanted to, but it doesn't look bad. I mean, it still looks cute and it's still inner corner. And then one of the last steps that I like to do is apply my highlighter. So today I'm using the Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette, and I always use my trusty F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter. I used to use the F35, but I found that it was just too big and highlighter went everywhere. So I am using the gold shade to kind of go with the gold on the lid. And then my mascara for the day is the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift in Blackest Black. And the last step before we get to the end here is setting the entire face with the Morphe Jeffree Star Setting Mist in Strawberry.
Alright, you guys, that is it for this completed look. So I was contemplating putting on lashes, but I decided against it because I wanted to keep it really pretty and spring-like. And you know what? Lashes are pretty uncomfortable if you don't put them on right. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new here, I would love if you would subscribe. And last but not least, click on that little bell notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video. We'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.